What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you enjoyed that last video of this beautiful Techo block patio. Pat, show them that. Pretty sweet. So now we're working on some of the trim details on this deck. We're gonna finish up the stairs, trim around the outside, and then we're gonna do the bar and the kitchen. A lot of details going on here. We've got some really cool new stuff that we're gonna do, especially with these stairs, which I'm pretty excited about. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe, hit subscribe. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm working on these stairs here, and we're doing a unique little detail here where we're gonna have this edge cascade down. You can see the riser's just gonna stop right here against this inside, and on this side, we're gonna have it go up. Looks pretty good, right? Okay. So I got a little bit more work to do on these stairs, which I'm just about to start wrapping up, but let's check in on what Scooter's doing. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey, man.
What are you doing there, pal?
Just getting these boards up for the bar.
Okay. Having fun?
Lots. I love doing this.
That's cool.
So, tell the people what you're doing, Scooter.
I am getting these deck boards on the bar. We're matching these lines up to
There you go. See, that's, yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Just follow that decking, like looking like it just grew out of there, you know?
Oh, I know. So, we're following these lines of the deck boards going straight up this wall, which looks really cool. We're gonna do the same thing on the kitchen here. And this is what we dictated the whole layout on, was this right here. So that piece is gonna go right here. So that whole inlay was based around this piece right here. We're also getting all of our block edging in right now. You can see we got this Techo block, Avignon. We still gotta take the grass out of here, but we just dug out the grass, tamped down the soil a little bit, and then put it all in concrete. So we've got all of these set. I love doing these because it just gives a nice structured look to the whole landscape, and it cuts down on maintenance with mulch spilling out of the beds and everything. You can see how cool this is gonna look back here.
Hey, Ann, what's going on?
Hey, Pat, what's going on? I'm over here trying to finish up this bar detail. We got a lot going on here. I have a corner detail I gotta figure out. I have this waterfall feature to figure out, so everything nice is clean with the bar. It's a lot going on.
Wow, Ann, that sounds interesting and fantastic. I hope everything goes well.
Okay.
Look at that. Fits perfectly. Nice job, Ant.
Thanks, Pat.
So Anthony just drilled some holes in our Traxall guide, and why are we doing that, Anthony?
I gotta attach it vertically on our fascias of our deck because of that corner detail we did. We put it in later.
Que pasa? So as Anthony has just mentioned, we got some holes drilled in our Traxall guide, and we're gonna attach this vertically so we could get a nice clean rip. Sean, go back like 10 seconds and make sure you cut that audio.
It's not YouTube friendly. Cut it out.
I wanna rock right now.
Hey Sean, what's going on?
Not too much. We are pretty much wrapped up with a lot of this trim on the outside of the deck. I think you've seen enough. We've done a lot of that already. So I'm gonna focus on this exterior fireplace wall. We've got a stone veneer product going in. They have this on the front of their house, so we're gonna match that, and we're gonna have this go all the way up. This is actually meant to be a ledge stone, but they gapped it in the front of the house with a grout joint, so we're gonna do the same here, but we're gonna switch it up a little bit. We're gonna tie it into everything we got, because we're gonna do a Squadra inlay on a stone veneer. What? A Techo box Squadra inlay on a stone veneer fireplace wall? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick up the same pattern we did over here. Show them that. So imagine that, but on this wall. You're gonna have to wait until we get up to this point, and then we're gonna kind of frame out for it, so just stay tuned, it's coming up. Uh-oh. So, we've got the veneer going on. Now we're getting a little crazy with it because I'm insane and I like to make more work for ourselves. So, I've got these 2x4s. I'm gonna build the frame out of the 2x4s, and because we're gonna have all this Squadra cutting through here, I'm gonna build this. This is the same width as a Squadra, so we can put this up on the wall, veneer all the way around it, then take it off, and we'll have our spots perfectly laid out to just pop that Squadra in. It's gonna be beautiful. We're also gonna build it on the ground so we can cut all the veneer right here, have all of our pieces cut because it's gonna be a lot of cuts. And then once we get to this inlay on the wall, we can just pop this up there, all the pieces will be cut. Next day we can take off this frame, boom, our Squadra outline is there. I hope it works out, I don't know.
He's gonna build this frame. It's for Squadra.
So we got all of our veneer cut that's gonna go in this inlay. Where'd that frame go? Oh, there it is. It's going up on the wall. This is one of those ideas I came up with on the fly, and it's complicating things. It's messing with our timeline, but it's gonna be awesome, so I don't really care. It's also Hawaiian Shirt Friday. Except for Josh, he forgot. So this whole thing is almost wrapped up. This inlay, last couple pieces going up there. Then we'll go up the side, up the other side, a little bit on the top. We're gonna wrap that PVC trim around the front of this fireplace. Monday, that'll be set up. We can take off that frame, pop in Squadra, easy peasy. While we had all that going on, we also got these trimmed out. Just a simple 2x6 beam here, wrapped it in some PVC. And that's where we got our cafe lights hung up at. Cafe lights give it a really nice magical feel. Look at that. Oh. Okay. But yeah, that's gonna give it a really, really cool feel out here. Really magical, set the mood. Got all this trim going on. We're gonna cover a lot of that in the next vlog because that's gonna be kind of some finishing touches. Check out the corner detail that Ant just finished up. Looks really nice. You can see here how the tread just goes straight up. Then it also comes down on this side. Got a little bit more work to do on that, but we're getting there. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. A lot of the trim details that we got going on. You're gonna have to wait for the next one to see this Squadra inlay go in. We'll be doing that tomorrow. And this was over the course of about a week and a half, and we had a lot going on. So this video might not make any sense whatsoever, but that'll give you a feeling of what it's like to be here on site. Right, Pat? Anyway, make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned for the next vlog, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.